Today, I will discuss some of the key points from the book The Seven Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra. So, number one law is the law of pure potentiality. In this one, the author said that how many times we find ourselves complaining throughout the day. My day sucks. Or we are judging other people. So, those are the judgments that are hindering on our daily basis. So we have to stop judging ourselves and to the others. Another point of pure potentiality is we have to utilize silence. So we have to learn to grow comfortable with silence. We don't need headphones plug in. So we have to work on meditation daily. It's a brain exercise to quiet our mind. Then we can reach to our pure potential. Another point of pure potentiality is that we all have lot of potential in ourselves. Our raw self is full of potential to conquer many of the goals we set out to complete. So we have to keep focusing what we want. The second law is the law of giving. The willingness to give, to keep the flow of circulation of giving in your life is very important. For example, a smile, a hug, snacks. So whenever we give a smile, we will get back a smile. So we have to keep giving. The more we give, the more we get. The third law is the law of karma. As you sow, so shall you reap. That is what karma is. What we give out, that come back. So we have to be careful. If we are doing dishonesty, it will come back to us. So whatever we give out to the universe, same thing will come back to us. So the fourth law is the law of least effort. So when your actions are motivated by love, there is no waste of energy. The fifth law is the law of intention and desires. So create a list of all of your desires within life, focus on them daily, and always make sure your tasks are aligned with the goals. So whatever our intentions we get, so we should have a clear intention that what we want to achieve in our life. The sixth law is the law of detachment. It is the law of surrender, that we have to surrendering ourselves to the higher self, not attached to the outcome of the project, but enjoy every moment. The last law is the law of dharma, or the purpose of life. So everyone has a unique gift in their life. So we have to figure it out what is our unique gift, and from that we have to define the purpose of our life, why we are over here in this universe.